that is very clear. At an election involving two candidates, only 68 votes are declared as invalid. Votes are declared as invalid. The winning candidate scores scores 52% and wins by 98 votes. The total number of votes polled is So here the question statements are very clear, guys, and same as usual. First of all, we have to understand the statements properly so that we can easily conclude the question. At an election involving two candidates, here also two candidates are only involved, only 68 votes are declared as invalid. Let us make a point out here. The invalid votes in that election we came to know, that is 68. 68 votes are invalid votes in that election. The winning candidate scores 52% and wins by 98 votes. So winning candidate scores 52% means we know winning candidate or loser, whomever it might be, they have to secure the winning status or losing status from valid votes only. As of now, with respect to the given information, we don't have any clarity regarding to the valid votes in that election. Valid votes in that election, we don't have any clarity. Okay, let's suppose total valid votes in that election should be the same percentage. Let it be. Why? Because we don't have any clarity regarding the valid votes in that election. That is the reason that count, whatever it might be, we don't know, but we are starting with that same percentage. Why? Because that count should be equal to the same percentage. Alright. Valid votes same percentage means winner secured how much percentage here? Winner secured how much percentage here? Winner got it 52% of a valid votes. Winner got it 52% means loser need to get the rest of 48% of a votes into that election. That is alright, but we got it clarity in the given information regarding the majority or difference between winner and loser. Next to one, margin, difference, majority, all are equal. Winner got it more than loser as 98 votes. That is the information we came to know from that given statement. When I talk about the difference between winner and loser with respect to the percentage here, winner got it 52% and loser got it 48%. Difference between winner and loser is how much percentage here? Difference between winner and loser is 4%. This 4% value we know that is 98. Why? Because winner got it 98 votes more than the loser with respect to the digit 98, with respect to the percentage 4%. Indirectly this 4% of a votes equals to 98. 4% of a votes equals to 98 means 1% equals to how much here? 4 into 2. Next one 1 is the remainder 8. 4 into 4 16, and like 2 is the remainder 0.5. 1% of a votes in that election equals to 24.5. 1% of a votes in that election equals to 24.5 means 100% of a valid votes in that election is 2450. 1% of a votes in that election means we are talking about that 1% of a valid votes. 1% of a valid votes is 24.5. 1% of a valid votes 24.5 means 10% of a valid votes in that election we came to know 2450. 10% 2450 means these 10% are the valid votes in that election. The total votes polled in that election, the total number of votes like votes polled in that election means including valid and invalid. Valid and invalid. Valid is 2450. Invalid is, we know that is 68. Valid plus invalid 2518 should be the right option of a question. 2518 is correct. Why? Because valid votes we have find out clearly 2450. Invalid already we got it from the given information, that is 68. 2450 plus 68, 2518 should be the conclusion of the question. Yes, make a note. A's salary is 25% higher than that of B's salary. Before sort of that, write it. In a town there are 2500 men and 2500 women. In a town there are 2500 men and 2500 women. Men and 2500 women. If men increased by 20%, if men increased by 20% and women decreased by 20%, if men increased by 20% and women decreased by 20%, women as a percentage of men now is. So now the question is very clear. In a town there are 2500 men and 2500 women. If men increased by 20% and women decreased by 20%. When I talk about the answer of a question here, Men are how much in the town? 2500. That is what we got it from that given information. Women are how much here? Women also we came to know that is 2500 with respect to the given statements over there. Okay, men increased by 20%. Men increased by 20% means we know 10% of a 2500. Men increased by 20%. All right. 10% of a 2500 we know 250. Double of 250 is like 500. Men increased by 20% means 20% of a 2500 we know 500. Here men are 3000. That is what only meaning of that given statement. Women are decreased by 20%. Women are decreased by 20% means 10% of a 2500 already we know that is 250. A double of 250 is we know 500. 500 women were decreased out of 2500 means right now 2000 would be the population of a woman in the town. Now our question is women as a percentage of men is now. That means women are how much percentage when we compare with that men. Women are how much here? 2000. That means we are comparing the women with men. That is the reason women are 2000. Comparison with men, that is 3000. With respect to the percentage means this one is looking like as a fraction. This one is looking like as a fraction. To convert any fraction into the percentage we have to multiply with 100. If I multiply with 100, automatically this one converts into the percentage. Let us go for that calculation here. 1/3. 1/3 means? 1/3 means how much here? 33.33%. Let us go for calculation. 33.33. 33.33 into 2? 66.66%. We came to know here women are 66.66% when we compare with that man. That one should be the right option of a question. Yes, please make a note this one. 25% more than that of B's salary. 25% more than that of B salary, then find B salary is how much percentage, then find B salary is how much percentage less than that of A's salary. So now the question is very clear here. A's salary is 25% more than that of B's salary. Here also we are talking about the two candidates like A and B. A salary is 25% more than that of B salary means A's salary is purely dependent on B's salary. So with respect to the given information, we don't know what about the salary of B. Let's suppose if I start salary of B as 100%, then A salary should be 25% more than that B salary. In this case, A salary should be 125% because we have taken B salary as 100%. This 100% of a value is how much? We don't know, let it be. A salary 25% more than that B salary means A salary should be 125%. Right now we have to find B salary is how much percentage less than that of A salary? B salary is how much percentage less here? B salary 25%. We are comparing with A, that is when 25%. Let us put attention here. B salary is 25%. That 25% less we have to compare out of 125%. This one is looking like as a fraction. To convert fraction into the percentage, we have to multiply with 100. Percentage gets cancelled. 25 5s 20. So 20%. B salary is 20% less than that of A salary. Especially I am ready to give such a clarity in this question. Most of the students are ready to commit for mistake, especially for this kind of questions. Why? Because A salary is 25% more than that of B salary, means definitely students thinks here carefully. B salary is also 25% less than A, but that is not here. Most of the students are ready to commit mistake here. A salary 25% more than B means B salary is 25% not less than A. B salary is how much percentage only less than A? 20%. That should be the indication for that all the students, especially for this kind of questions. Okay, all right. Next one, that is in an examination which maximum marks are 500. In an examination which maximum marks are 500, A got 10% less than B. That means Mr. A got 10% of A marks less than B. Less than B. B got 25% more than C. C got 20% less than D. If A got 360 marks, if A got 360 marks, what percentage of marks was obtained by D? What percentage of marks obtained by D? Let us put your attention here. This question is also very clear. In an examination which maximum marks are 500 means each and every student can secure maximum 500 only in that examination. A got it 10% of a less marks than B. A got it 10% of a less marks than B means A marks are dependent on B marks, so that is what only meaning over there. Next one, B got it 25% of more marks than C. B marks are dependent on C marks. Let us put attention on the sequence. A marks are dependent on B. B marks are also dependent on C. C got it 20% less than D. That means C marks are also dependent on D. When I talk about So examination, especially in this given information, we are talking about only 4 candidates, that is A, B, C and D. A marks are dependent on B, B marks are dependent on C and C marks are dependent on D. Totally the sequence is dependent on D. That means the total question is dependent on D here. When I talk about D, D got it how many marks in that examination? As of now, with respect to the digit, we don't have any clarity. With respect to the digit, we don't have any clarity, means let's suppose D secured 10% of a marks in that examination, let it be. Now we are talking about that consideration of D as 100%. If D gets 100% of a marks, C got how much percentage less than D? C got how much percentage less than D here? C got it 20% of a marks less than D. C got it 20% of a marks less than D, means definitely C has to secure 80% of a marks than D. So let me check once again. Next to one, B got it how much percentage more than C? B got it 25% more than that C. 25% of 80, here 80 is the 100%. 25% of 80 means off of 80 40, off of 40 20. 25% of 80 20. 20 means B secured 100% of a marks here. Let me put attention. C got it 20% of a marks less than D. B got it 25% of a marks more than C. Now when I talk about A got it how much percentage of a marks less than B here? A got it 10% of a marks less than B. Already we know B got it 100%. What should be the marks need to be gained by A here? A need to get 10% of a marks less than B. A need to get 10% of a marks less than B, means that 10% of 100, 10% only. A need to secure 90% of a marks here. When we talk about all the 4 people are here very clearly. A got it 10% of a less marks than B. B got it 25% of a more marks than C. C got it 10% of a, like C got it 20% of a less marks than D. This is what sequence we got it here. And when I talk about that given statements here, if A got it 360 marks, what percentage of marks should be obtained by D? A got it 360 marks means with respect to the given information, as of now we have been in that sequence. A got total 90% of a marks with respect to the percentage. With respect to the percentage, Mr. A got it 90% means this 90% value indirectly we came to know from that given statement, that is 360. 90% equals to 360 means 1% of a marks in that examination. 1% 4 means now we are supposed to talk about D. D gets how much percentage here? 100%. 1% equals to 4 means 100% equals to how much? 100% equals to 400. Mr. D got it 400 marks in that examination. D got it 400 marks in that examination out of, D got it 400 marks in that examination, that is out of 500. D secured 400 marks in that examination out of 500 means D got it how much percentage of a marks in that examination? That is what our question. Already we know to convert any fraction into the percentage, we have to multiply with 100. This one is looking like as a fraction. To convert into the percentage, right now we have to multiply with 100. If you multiply with 100, automatically this one converts into the percentage format. Let us check with that calculation. 100 how many times applicable here? Yes, 5 times. 5 is how many times applicable for 400? 5 is really applicable for that 400 as 80. Now we came to know here Mr. D got it 80% of a marks in that examination. Mr. D got it with respect to the digit, like 400 marks into that examination. With respect to the percentage, D got it 80% of a marks. Let us go for that justification of a question here. I am ready to make a justification. Really we are in a position to meet the conditions properly or not. We know D got it how many marks of examination? D got it total 400 marks in that exam. D got it total 400 marks in that examination, means we know C gets 20% of a less marks than D. C gets 20% of a less marks than D, means 20% of 400. We know 10% of a 400 is 40. 10% of a 440 means 20% of a 480. C need to secure 80 marks less than D. C need to secure 80 marks less than D, means that should be 320. We know C got it like 320 marks into that examination. Next one, B gets how much percentage more than that C? B gets really 25% more than that B. B gets like 25% more than that C. Let me check once again. Half of 320, yes 160. Half of 160, yes 80. 320 plus 80, 400 need to be secured by B. A need to get how much percentage less than B? We know that is 10%. 10% of 440. Okay, A need to secure 40 marks less than B, that is 360. Now we have satisfied the condition properly. We have satisfied the condition properly, means definitely B need to secure 400. 400 is how much percentage in that 500? 80% of a score only. Mr. D need to be obtained in that examination. Yes.